Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin on clean skin. Make sure pores are clear so the serum absorbs. Dispense 3-4 drops of plum serum onto your fingertips and warm it slightly between hands. Once done, tap the serum onto cheeks, forehead, and chin using light upward motions. This promotes absorption and circulation. Do not rub harshly. Make sure to avoid the immediate eye contour. Allow about 30 seconds for the initial layer to settle before moving to the next step, so the formula can begin working. Once the first layer settles, assess where you need targeted help and apply a small additional drop, about 1/2 drop, to fine lines or dry patches. You press gently with your fingertips to encourage penetration, and then use a light circular massage for 20 to 30 seconds to promote even distribution. Make sure to wait 60 to 90 seconds before adding another thin layer. This prevents pillage and helps active ingredients absorb. If you feel any tackiness, stop layering and let it fully sink in. You finish by sealing the plum serum with a moisturizer, and if it's daytime, you follow with SPF to protect results. Once done, gently press moisturizer into skin to lock actives in. If you notice redness, stinging, or irritation, stop using the serum immediately and rinse with lukewarm water, then perform a patch test on the inner arm before trying again. Make sure to store the bottle capped and cool, away from direct sun. This preserves potency and prevents degradation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.